before, after, before, after, before, after, before, after, before, after. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe and support this channel. This preset link in the description. So let's get started. At first select the picture. Go to Light. Highlights -100. Shadows +61. Whites +26. Go to Curve. White. And done. Go to Color. Vibrance +65. Saturation -22. Go to Grading. Slide down. Shadows. Hue 216. Saturation 9. Blending 100. Slide up. Go to Next Grading. Slide down. Highlights. Hue 230. Saturation 13. Slide up. And done. Go to Color Mix. Go to Orange Color. Saturation +14. Go to Yellow Color. Hue -29. Luminance +22. Go to Green Color. Hue -20. Saturation -9. Luminance +71. Go to Aqua Color. Saturation -32. Luminance -56. Go to Blue Color. Hue -9. Luminance -36. And done. Go to Effects. Clarity +50. Slide down. Go to Detail. Sharpening 70. Detail 28. Go to Profiles. Select Artistic 3 by 100. And done. Go to 3-dot icon. Copy setting. And done. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Now complete your preset.